Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Radiant Capital token. Now before we start the video, let's say a legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Radiant Capital is a decentralized cross-chain lending protocol designed to let users deposit assets on one blockchain and borrow different assets across multiple chains. Solves fragmented liquidity. It aims to unify billions in liquidity scattered across different blockchains into a single omnichain money market. Built for cross-chain interoperability, the protocol uses layer 0 technology to enable seamless asset transfers and borrowing across supported networks. Incentives participation with DLP. Users who provide liquidity become dynamic liquidity providers DLP, earning fees and governance rights via RDN tokens. Radiant Capital project institution rating is 4. Radiant Capital token total supply is 1.49 billion and circulating supply is also 1.4 billion. RDNT token is listed on Binance, Bybit, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.